If you're a beginner trader out there and you want to venture into trading Forex, then what I will advise or where I will advise you start from is to start with Bybit. Just go to the link in the video description, create a Bybit account, download the Bybit app, and it will be easier for you. It will not be as conflicting as using MT5 or using your broker to trade. This is straightforward and it is very easy to manage your trades. So that's exactly what I want to walk you through on how to start trading Forex as a beginner, as a complete beginner, using the Bybit exchange, and we're using the mobile app in this tutorial. So the first thing you want to do once again is to get a Bybit account. You can use the link in the video description or my bio, or if you download the app, the Bybit app from Play Store or App Store, you can use 𝗕𝗲𝗙𝗖𝗢𝗗𝗏 because that will give you up to 30,000 as welcome bonus when you start using the platform. So what you want to do here on Bybit, once you log into your app, the first thing you want to do now, if you're a complete beginner here, you need to go through doing verification for you to be able to trade forex, crypto, stocks, all of that inside of the Bybit app. You need to do your KYC verification up to level 2. So once you do that, here on the home page, you will see where it says trade. Go ahead and click on the trade option. And once you click on the trade option, by default, maybe you could be on the features option or spot option. So at the top here, you see that there are different menus here, but the one we're interested in is trade file. So the trade file option is where you can take out forex trading. As you can see, if I scroll down right here, okay, you can see on the recommended tab here we have gold, Tesla, all of these various stocks right here that you can actually take advantage of. You can go to the metal option, you can go to stocks, you can go to indices, forex, commodities, and all of these that you have access to. So these are all that you'll be able to trade using the Bybit app. So if I come here, my own favorite coin that I've been trading with the community is gold. If I go ahead and click on it, any of these that you want to trade, you just go ahead and click on it. So if I click on gold, you can see that on gold I have a trade that is currently running. So here on the chart you can do your analysis, though I do my analysis on trading view and then come in here to take my trades. So if I scroll down here, you can see that I have a trade that is running already. So if for instance I want to buy, I just need to click on the buy option. Now when I click on the buy option, I have the option to buy at market price or use the trigger option to set a limit order. So here you don't need to select whether buy limit, sell limit. Once you select trigger, it already knows that if you are on the sell tab, it is sell limit, or buy limit. If you are on the buy tab, it is buy limit. So that is how the platform has been programmed. You don't need to select and then you now start selecting buy limit, sell limit, buy stop or sell stop and all of that, right? So all you just need is, do you want to buy? Which direction are you looking at? If it is buy, click on the buy button. Then set whether you want to use limit order or market order. Then if it is a sell option, go back, click on the sell option and set whether you want to do limit order by using the trigger option or market order. Then by default here will be in USDT. Click on it and change it to lot. Then you want to type in here the lot size that you want to use. 0.01 is the lowest and you can go as high as 10 lot size. The choice is yours. Okay, the higher the lot size, the riskier that trade, okay, can be, or your account could be. So that's how easy it is to trade. And when it comes to managing trade, remember in trading forex you can stack your trades. For instance, if I want to buy more, if I see that this market is going up from here and I want to buy more, I can go ahead and buy more. I can stack trades, and those trades are traded differently. So if I want to manage my trade, okay, compared to MT5, you need to go, start sliding and all of that. But here you just click on close by. And guess what? If I use anything above 0.01 lot size, which is the lowest lot size, I can start taking partials on my trade. So I can go ahead and click on the close by option and I can decide to take 75%, 50%, 25%, or 10%. Or I just go ahead and reduce. If I have, for instance, 0.1 lot size, I just go ahead and type the lot size, amount of lot size I want to close, and then click on confirm, and I'm good. So if I have multiple trades right here, I just click on the close by option. Once I click on it, I just click on confirm and the whole trade will be closed, and I can use that to easily close all of my trades. So you see, Bybit makes it easier and very simple to understand when trading forex compared to using your MT5 or using whatever platform that your broker provide for you. So if you want to start trading forex, guys, this is the best platform that you can use. I've been using it, and you can join us on Telegram too to take advantage of all the free signals that we share about gold trade. And I plan to include other pairs like the Nasdaq, GPB, USD. I will let you know, guys. I will let you know. But for now, it is gold that we are trading. So join us on Telegram. The link will be on my bio in the video description. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Go ahead and fund the account. Okay. When you start trading, I think I didn't mention this. When you start trading here, TradeFi is treated differently from your unified trading account. So if you come in here, you want to go ahead and click on the transfer option here to transfer some funds into your TradeFi account, and then you can start buying and selling right here. Okay, that is how easy it is to trade forex, trade commodities, trade stocks, indices, all inside of the Bybit platform, including crypto, without going out or without any complex or complicated platform. All right, so that is it, guys. I'll see you in my next video.